This video will provide you guidance for installing the Yale Assure lock for Andersen patio doors. Please note that the installation of this product requires you to enlarge a hole that already exists in your door with a larger drill bit. The modification of a door is not typically part of the Yale install process, so if you are uncomfortable with this, please call a local professional. As noted in the instruction manual packaged with the handle, here are the components that are included in the box. The exterior side of the lock, the interior side of the lock, mounting plate, battery cover key, door position sensor, block magnet, cylinder magnet, handle kit, batteries, and mounting screws. Depending on the model you purchased, you may also have a smart module. Before installing the lock, make sure that your door has been prepped according to the specifications listed in the instruction manual. This lock is available for A-Series hinged patio door, E-Series hinged patio door, folding door, and entry doors. Double-check the instruction manual for guidance on which spacer is needed for each door type. Install the spacer into the mounting plate and make sure not to over-tighten. The correct spacer is very important for installation ease, so make sure to select the right one. Install the touchscreen on the outside of the door, guiding the cables through the borehole one at a time, without bending. When the touchscreen is aligned properly, it will be flush with the door. Install the inside mounting plate. Place the spindle from the handle kit into the lock on the inside of the door. Pull the cables through the mounting bracket. Install mounting bracket with through bolts. Ensure bracket is straight and tighten the bolts. If you have a Yale Access Smart Module, please install the required door positioning sensor now. Remove both tabs from the gasket in order to position the sensor. Attach the door position sensor, securing the wires under the tab. The door position sensor needs to be orientated based on the door handing so that it faces the door latch as installed. Attach the cable assembly to the inside of the lock. Install the inside of the lock onto the mounting plate. Ensure that the thumb turn faces away from the latch. Install the two small screws in the battery compartment and the long screw at the bottom of the lock. Test the operation of the lock, making sure that the thumb turn moves freely. Install the handle. Insert the bushing onto the spindle and then insert the assembly into the handle. Push the spindle to full depth into interior handle. Tighten the set screw. Set screw must enter V-slot and spindle when securing handle. Install the handle on the inside of the door. Ensure that the spindle V-slot and handle set screw face the floor for proper installation. Perform the same handle installation on the outside of the door. Test the handle operation. For double operating outswing patio doors, drill a 5/16" hole 1 inch in the center of astragal for the round sensor on the door frame across from the door position sensor, and insert the door position sensor accessory magnet. For double operating in-swing patio doors, position the self-adhesive sensor accessory magnet on the door frame flush to edge and centered across from the door position sensor arrow. For single operating outswing patio doors, drill a 5/16" hole 1 inch deep, 1/4 inch from the panel edge. For single operating in-swing patio doors, drill a 5/16" hole 1 inch deep at the marked location. Install optional Yale Smart Module. Install batteries and battery cover. Congratulations! You've installed your new Yale Smart Lock. Touch the touchscreen with your entire palm to wake the lock. You will be guided to set up your lock by following the audio instructions on the lock. Additional entry codes and further programming can be done through the settings menu.